Welcome to Artistic Documentation. I hope you will stay with us for visualize whole work. Building a brand identity template that scales across products requires a strategic, flexible, and deeply cohesive approach that ensures consistency while allowing adaptability for different product lines, audiences, and markets. The process begins with clearly defining your core brand identity, including your mission, vision, values, positioning, and target audience. This foundation becomes the guiding light for every design and messaging decision across product variations. Establishing a centralized visual language is critical. Create a robust system of design elements including a master logo and its variations, a unified color palette with usage rules, typography hierarchies, iconography, and photography or illustration styles that are versatile enough to represent different products while staying visually connected. For example, use color extensions within your palette to differentiate product categories without breaking brand consistency. Your template must include clear usage guidelines for applying these elements across multiple platforms and formats, from packaging and physical materials to websites, mobile apps, and marketing collateral, so that all products, regardless of their function or market, appear unmistakably part of the same brand ecosystem. Top scalable identity systems also define modular design components, such as interchangeable content blocks, graphic elements, and layout grids that make it easy to replicate or adapt designs without reinventing the wheel. Equally important is the verbal identity. Define your tone of voice, messaging framework, and brand story structure so that copywriting across different products aligns with the overall personality and communicates a coherent narrative, whether the message is aspirational, technical, playful, or professional. Incorporating guidelines for co-branding or sub-brands within the template is another key consideration, especially for businesses that plan to launch multiple lines under a parent brand. This ensures all new identities align with the master brand without creating confusion. Make room for scalability by future-proofing the system. Build in flexibility for expanding product lines, entering new markets, or evolving design trends without having to overhaul the entire brand structure. Accessibility and responsiveness are also crucial. Ensure templates are optimized for digital, mobile, and print use, and adhere to standards for inclusivity in both design and language. Centralized storage and access via cloud-based brand management platforms like Figma, Canva Teams, or a digital asset management system ensures that everyone from designers to marketers to external partners uses the most current assets and guidelines. Include a feedback and version control process to keep the identity system evolving in alignment with real-world use and customer feedback. Document everything in a brand identity style guide or interactive brand book that not only outlines rules but also explains the rationale behind them, enabling creative teams to understand the why as well as the how. Support the system with training materials, onboarding sessions, and internal brand ambassadors who champion correct usage. Ultimately, a scalable brand identity template is built not just for visual consistency, but to express a unified brand promise across every product and touchpoint, strengthening recognition, trust, and customer loyalty as the business grows and diversifies. Thanks for watching this video at the end.